Hi, Andiswa. Thanks so much for your question. So you're on the right track. You definitely got the right idea. And what you've done from the beginning so far is correct. And your assumption, or let me not call it an assumption, your statement that when things have the same base, we can equate the exponents, 100% correct. But we need to use that in the correct context. And what I mean by that is everything that we're looking at over here, every single one of those numbers has to have the same base in order for us to equate them. So that 13 you've got there doesn't quite work. So let's see what the sum should actually look like. Okay, so we're going to do exactly what you did at the beginning. We're going to isolate each of these. We're going to get 2 to the power x multiplied by 2 to the power 3 minus 3 multiplied by 2 to the power x multiplied by 2 to the power 1 is equal to 104. And we're going to take 2 to the power x out as a common factor. We're going to get 2 to the power 3 minus 3 multiplied by 2 to the power 1. All of this equal to 104. Now, 2 to the power x is not our problem. What's our problem right now is what's inside the bracket. So that's what we're going to solve for really quickly. So we're going to get 2 to the power x. It's going to give us 2 cubed is 8 minus, now this is going to be 3 multiplied by 2 to the power 1 is the same thing as 1 over 2 to the power 1, which is a half. And that's going to be equal to 104. Now we can clean it up. That's going to give us 3 over 2. This part here is 3 over 2. 8 minus 3 over 2 is the same thing as 16 over 2 minus 3 over 2. That's going to give us 13 over 2. So we're going to have 2 to the power x multiplied by 13 over 2. And that's going to equal to 104. Now, I'm trying to isolate 2 to the power x because that's the answer I want. So, in order to get rid of 13 over 2, I'm going to multiply the side by 2 over 13. Multiply the side by 2 over 13. What we do on the left, we do on the right as well. That's going to cancel. And then I'm going to have 104 multiplied by 2 over 13. Do some quick math. You're going to find that's equal to 16. That's going to be 2 to the power x is equal to 16. And now we're getting somewhere. All right, now we've got 2 to the power x, and we know that 16 can be written as 2 to the power 4. I'm just going to carry on over here. 2 to the power x is equal to 2 to the power 4. And now that my bases are the same, I can equate my exponents. Therefore, x is equal to 4, and that's the answer we're looking for. I hope this was helpful. Remember, we need to take each step in turn. Okay, don't rush through it. Think through everything that we are doing, especially when we see numbers, when we're looking at just numbers like over here. Make sure you simplify all of that first. All right, all the best.